Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I wanted to share something else that I made for some of my kids. Uh, I did an ornament with a little chocolate nugget and then a little tag that says CCMR and most of them say holiday wishes. So I did use a die. This is a Sizzix die named Ornament. I think it's called Ornament Ball, if I'm not mistaken. The label kind of fell off. So I just used pattern paper, a whole bunch of Christmas paper. So I did about I think I did about 50. I did do a lot of them. So I plan on giving them out to the parents on we're gonna have a winter festival this Wednesday. So um, it'll be a small little token. So if you notice in the back, I did use recycled paper just to make it sturdier. I was going to use chipboard paper, chipboard, but I figured they're just going to be thrown in the trash. So I figured I would just use recycled paper. So all I did was glue 3 pieces of recycled paper and then the pattern paper on the top. So, and they're all different from different types of patterned paper booklets. So they're all different companies and stuff. So I think they came out pretty cute. As you can tell, this one I didn't cut it very well, but like I said, it is going to be thrown away. So I just wanted it to be more of a way to give something to the kids. I did use this die to cut the paper that wraps around the nugget. But I mean, you don't really need a die. It's just taking a measurement of it and cutting a whole bunch of strips. And then the little tags, all I did was just got a whole bunch of the leftover pieces of paper and then I just cut them. I did not use a die for this. They're all shaped or cut in different sizes. So I was just trying to use up all the paper that I had left over. So I think that this is, and then I did stamp it. I kind of thought about printing it out and then cutting it out, but then I was going to be unable to use the leftover scrap pieces of paper, which is really what I wanted to do with this. I wanted to use up whatever I had cut up. So I think that they turned out really cute. So yeah, this is going to be for little tokens or little gifts to give to the parents at the Winter Festival this week. So I still have a lot to do. Like I said, I've made about 50. And so here you can see all of them. I still need to do the tags for all of them. I was working on the stamping a minute ago. I did use this ribbon. It's like a twine. And I probably got this one at Marshall's at a really good price. So yeah, this is a very inexpensive gift to give away. And the only thing is that since the chocolate is a little bit heavy, I did have to triple. Actually, I used 4 pieces of paper to hold it. And I didn't want to use chipboard because, like I said, I know it's going to be thrown in the trash. But that's it. I just wanted to share this idea to give away as little gifts. You can give them out to kids in the classroom also. I'm always looking for ways to give little gifts to the kids. But this one, like I said, is going to be given to my parents this week. And I'm going to not feel bad when I see the ornaments thrown in the trash can after they eat the candy, because I know it's taken me some time to do all this. But I'm okay with it. I'm using pattern paper that I haven't been using. So it's a really good, and I had fun, of course, doing this little project. But that's it. Like I said, I used old recycled paper to kind of make this sturdier. And I did make a couple little mistakes on the cutting, which, like I said, I'm okay with because, like I said, it is going to be thrown into the trash anyways. And I did use a whole bunch of leftover paper, the pattern paper that I used just to cut these as well. And then I stamped a wish, holiday wish, or season's greetings. And then CCMR just stands for my title as a teacher. I'm a CCMR teacher. But that's it. Hopefully I'll share another one. I'm working on another project to give to some of our staff members at school, but I'll share that when I complete that one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.